let's work on the fireplace. So once again, we pull the information. The instruction says that we need to find the center line. It's 8 feet 4 inches. So pick this line, offset 8 feet 4. 8 feet 4 inches. Here's the center line. Then the instructions simply suggest that we need to go 1 foot 3 on either side. So 1 foot 3 on either side goes as such. 1 foot 3 this way and this way. We then, from this junction, we annotate, move from this corner back 4 inches. All right. Let's make sure that our line hierarchy is thin so we can actually see. That's our line. So I'm going to erase this line for a second just so that you can actually see. And if I mirror this line, you can easily see that same line on the other side. So I'm going to mirror against this line. That's where I have it. And if you want, you can turn these two to that nice thick line so we can actually see the construction wall line. Okay? So then from this point, I'm going to offset 1 foot 4, I believe. Let's double check. It says from here to here, I need to move back, is, first I need 4 inches, right? And then an additional 1 foot and then 8 inches. So I'm going to offset 1 foot 4. And sometimes it's 1 foot 6. So pick this line, offset 1 foot 4, back, it's here. Offset another 8 inches for the thickness of the wall. It's right here. So I'm going to quickly turn these two in the red line so that I can see those as a construction line. So now I'm going to work with these. These, I believe, are 7 inches on either side. So from here to here, 7.5 inches. So from the center line, I'm going to offset 7.5 inches to either side. 7.5 inches to either side, here and here. Now all I have to do is just connect the line. Annotate, detail line. I'm going to go with the large scale line because I'm ready to actually draw the connection from here to here, back here, and there. That's it. Now all I need to do is just trim this line. Here's another way of doing it. Rather than trimming it, simply pull it back, draw the line from here to here. And if I draw my lines with a line hierarchy, I can actually see where things are. Now, from this junction, I'm going to draw a line back. And I'm going to quickly turn it into red so I can actually see it. So if it's there, I need to get 8 inches. So I'm going to take that line, offset thickness of the wall, 8 inches. Here it is. There's my line. So I can actually annotate this time again with my thick line right from here, there, and I can actually go to the center line. Okay? So before I do that, I'm going to take this one and I'm going to mirror it against the center line. Oops, wrong one. Now see, choose the correct center line. Pick this line, center against the mirror line. This one. That looks correct. Now I finish my the back of the fireplace, finish the interior part of the fireplace. You can take this line and pull it back to this junction, and this line went a little bit further. That's more correct. Draw another line, finish this edge. That's how I can finish my fireplace. That's it for this section.